Priorities in 2022 for A&D will be primarily supply chain issues, working out supply chain, and then talent and labor. I think there's going to be a big surge in sort of regulatory and other things that will change the way supply chain functions to some degree. I think that there will be some help that will come from governments and also regulatory environments that may make it even more challenging in some ways for supply chain. So it'll be interesting to navigate that, and I think people will have to change, a lot of companies will have to change how they design things, how they engineer things based on supply chain restrictions and limitations. So politics and global strategy and things like that matter a lot. You know, our dependence on other countries for strategic metals, for example, is going to be particularly impactful on the aerospace and defense industry. And then, of course, the whole supply of labor issue and talent development. As artificial intelligence accelerates, one person will be able to do more and more. It won't eliminate the need for people altogether. It'll just eliminate the number of people that are needed to be hired. So I think there will be greater investment in artificial intelligence for things like engineering and math-based kinds of activities, and more of a demand for creative engineers, people that are very innovative, very artistic in their way of approaching problems and design and things like that. So I think those shifts will have to happen, and I think those will affect probably disproportionately the aerospace and defense industry.